Hi, my name is Victor Nagy, and I'm the Senior Product Manager of the Configure Group, and this is the 14.0 release kickoff video for our group. What do we plan to ship in 14.0? First of all, 14.0 is our opportunity to ship breaking changes. As a result, we are going to remove a one-click GitLab managed app in 14.0, and together with that, we are actually going to improve, hopefully a lot, the CI-based cluster management project. At the same time, we're actually renaming the cluster management project and this whole GitLab managed apps to GitLab integrated applications, because that describes much better what they are aimed at. And the cluster management project will be a way to make it easy to get started with the GitLab integrated applications, but actually you, the user, will own these applications. We do not manage them for you. This is what we failed in the past years as well. And we don't have a good model in upgrading and taking care of the applications on our users' behalf. So we are not dealing with that, and we just acknowledge this fact today. Besides these removals, we have a lot of other minor changes as well, like bumping versions of the Terraform template and the auto deploy template and so on. But those are just minor changes in terms of scope, even though those are breaking changes as well. Followingly, we are currently running an auto DevOps design sprint, and we hope that we will be able to start working on its output during the next milestone. At the same time as this design sprint, I cannot tell what that output will be, and if any issues we will have there, those might be just design-related issues that need still some level of validation. The next three items on our list are, shall we just increase the font size a bit? So the next three items are related to the Terraform registry CI tunnel and registering a new agent are actually ongoing work for a few months now. And we plan to ship all three of these in 14.0. The Terraform registry is pretty self-explanatory. It comes with UI as well, thanks to the package team. The CI tunnel, we wanted to ship the first version in 13.12, but unfortunately, we missed the deadline. So the whole feature with some extra things that were not planned for 13.12 will come in 14.0. The CI tunnel allows our users to connect to their clusters from GitLab CI to the cluster on a secure channel using the GitLab Kubernetes agent, so they don't have to open up their clusters and they can still use CI to connect to the cluster. We think that this is a really nice path forward to even for existing users, because they can easily, with minor changes, switch to the GitLab Kubernetes agent. And the UI to register new agents we see as a bottleneck, because today you have to run GraphQL queries, and we can make up for that with a nice UI that drives the user through the whole workflow. The other issue we have planned are actually stretch goals like resource pruning. We think that for the GitOps model, the pool-based deployments model, that's a must-have, that we manage all the resources in the cluster, even the ones that might be removed. So it's a proper syncing. We are doing some spike. We're running a spike in this area first, and then we'll see what developments are required for that. If you need more information, we actually have our roadmap in GitLab and the milestone-specific planning board as well. So at the roadmap level, we have many topics that we are working on, and we have lots of plans as well, especially around the CI, where we want to add group level CIs, and perhaps we'll add user level CIs as well. And in the planning board, you can see what's deliverable, what's stretch. We are still filling up all the columns there. So this was our release kickoff video. If you have any questions, please reach out to us in the Configure channel. Thank you very much. Or in any of the issues.